What's up, y'all? Today I'm going to be reviewing the Mission Workshop Access VX Modular Waist Pack, Sling Bag, Fanny Pack. I'll give you a brief overview, what it's made of, what I like about it, but ultimately why I'm returning it, because I should have never gave up on my AER Everyday Sling 2 bag. This is a great bag. I'm actually going to do a loadout where I load both bags with my EDC when I'm not carrying a laptop, so you get a what's in my bag video and a review. It's a dope bag, but I'm not gonna keep it. So let's jump into it. All right, so first of all, this bag is made out of VX21 diamond ripstop fabric, which makes it very weather resistant, abrasion resistant, super lightweight, and they saying pound for pound, gram for gram, this is the toughest material, technical material on the planet. And my first impression when I pulled this out of the packaging was like, damn, that's white. When Young Jeezy said, "You ain't never seen those pies, I'm talking so much white it'll hurt your eyes," he was talking about this bag. Let me stun on him real quick with the white. And if you're trying to stun on somebody, here you go. With this on your back, on your waist, people gonna be like, what the hell is that? What kind of bag is that? It's definitely gonna turn heads. At $190, it should turn heads. So if that was your goal, that's your goal, this will do it for you. It has a spot for a U-lock. You can put your lock here in the back. And of course you see these slots. It slides on any archive rails for other Mission Workshop bags, the R2, R6, R8, Radian. And the straps tuck into the bag, so that makes it very unique. And you have fidlock buckles to close, so easy one-hand operation fidlock buckles. That's what makes this bag very unique. The material, U-lock, you can tuck it in, modular. There you go, the bag is open. Let's get in here. You have the main compartment here. You have an inner lining here with a zip right there, so a little mesh pocket, and then you have two pockets behind it that's maybe about 3 inches, and a key clip. That's what you have. All right, now I'm gonna show you what it looks like on, and while I'm doing that, I'm gonna explain why this bag is not for me. And I made a mistake. This video is not to rip this bag or to rip Mission Workshop. Salute to them. Made in the USA, Bay Area. I got a few of their bags. I've had a rummy for 5 years. So this is how the bag looks on your back. Sick. Now here's my problem with the bag. And again, I saw the photos on the site. I thought it would work for me. It does not work. You can rock it like this. Cool. All right. Bam. It's a little strange though how this pokes out right here. You have this space. You see this space? Kind of weird. And look how high it's sitting. It's like damn near on my beard. Here's my main problem with this bag. Because it's sitting so high, to get in the bag, boom, we're like this, okay? I always want to keep my camera with me. This is the Fuji X100. I'm putting it in the bag. I can't see it. To get to it, I have to look like this. And look how, again, I'm like this. If I want to get in the bag, I have to go like this, which is very awkward and strange. Again, it's my fault. I seen the pictures. I just didn't know in practice when I put the bag on and I'm going in and out of it, I would have to do all of that. Now let me show you the AER Day Sling 2 and how it compares as a crossbody sling compared to the Access VX. All right, so this is the AER Day Sling 2. More traditional crossbody sling. You can hike it up a little higher, but even if you have it tight to your chest and you hike it up, it's not up here, it's right here. Loosen it up, and this also has a strap. You can easily take it off. Not as cool as a fidlock, but it has one, and this is 65 bucks. But anyway, bam, side, boom, chilling, put it away. Okay, now let me show you how it compares when I'm putting the camera. Again, I always want to have my camera with me. Camera, boom. I'm looking, I can see in my bag. I'm like, oh, okay, here. I'll put my camera here. There's pockets in this front compartment. What's in there? If I need that, boom, I can get in and out of the bag, zip it up, bam, put it away. All right, so now let me show you what I carry on the daily when I'm not carrying a laptop. I'm gonna load out both of these bags, and I'm also gonna have a few extra items on the desk to show you what more I can pack in this bag and ultimately why I'm keeping this bag. Let me break this down. Keys, wallet, phone, mask, essentials, headphones, essentials. This can fit in the Access just fine. We'll throw these in here too. You know, your lip balm, inhaler, lighter. I'm going to say this is hand sanitizer. It's actually a USB. But this will fit in the Access just fine. This is what I'd like to fit in there with my camera, power bank, and charger. And this over here is what is probably not going to fit in here. But I'm going to show you how it fits in the AER and why the AER best suits me. Bottom line, if you need more space, organization, and tech in your small EDC, the Access is probably not it. But anyway, let me go ahead and show you how I get down. All right. So I'm gonna take my mask first. Okay. We're gonna stuff it in here. Now that's the thing. So now I gotta kind of like stretch it open to kind of like stuff it in there. All right. So it's in there. Okay. It's in there. My keys. What I like to do is actually hook them on the outside. You probably don't do this, but I hook mine on the outside using this S-clip, and I hook it on the outside like that. Gives me room in my bag, and my keys aren't hitting my electronics. I'm sure I have very specific needs. Okay, again, boom. Throwing these here in the mesh zipper compartment. All right. Gonna zip that up. Boom, it's clean so far, okay? Now I'm gonna put, actually, prioritize phone. Phone's in there. Wallet, we'll put that in the back part. All right, so it's back there. You see it's back there. Okay, headphones, throw it in there. Because now you're at that rucksack. So now my stuff is in there. If this was it, I'm good. If I just wanted to, let's say I put this in here, I'm good. You know, it's a little room to spare. It can work. It's cool. It's in there. That's all you need. That'll work for you. All right. But let me take that out. Put my camera. Again, this is my need right here. I like to have my camera with me everywhere I go. I use it. Hobby. Fun. Boom. Now I'm going to put that in there. Bam. So look. It's in there. It's in there. Here's my issue. Okay. So here it's kind of hanging a little bit. Again, I can't see. I don't have a line of sight. So if I want to get in the bag, I got to go like this. Look in it. Okay, if I want my camera, I have to kind of like take that out, get my camera out, put it back in. Again, I can't see, so I'm in my bag like this. And it's just not ideal. It's a cross-body sling. Again, use an arrow. You know what I was getting into. See, even when you're wearing like this, you have this like space here. You know, and so it's like that. You flip it around, you're in there, all right? But I just don't like that. I have to go in it like this, put it back. Okay, so now I gotta kind of move stuff around to kind of get it in. Put it back in the bag. It's just not ideal. Everything's laid back out. Now I'm gonna pack the AER Day Sling too. All right. So we'll start with the essentials. Okay, this is the back pocket that's closest to your body, so you got security. Okay, wallet, phone, boom, it's in there with room to spare. All right, keys, I'm gonna do the same thing. Now check this out. Bam, in there. I didn't have to struggle with it. All right, so the pull tabs are a little bigger. All right, so those are in there. Okay, I could even hang this on that side, but I'm not gonna do that anyway. So let me do this. I'm gonna let me just pack it from the outside. All right, camera. Boom, it's in there. All right, here we go. Beats. Boom, it's in there. All right, and I'm just gonna put the mask in there. Boom, so that's packed in there. This is the front compartment. This bag has 9 compartments, and again, I'm not trying to slam Mission Workshop. Every bag is made different. I should have just stuck with what I had instead of being tantalized by you, Mission Workshop. Don't worry, you're gonna get more of my money. I'm happy to spend it. All right, so now compartment here. All right, we'll go back to the essentials, okay? This is their zipper pocket right here. Bam. My hand sanitizer, my pseudo hand sanitizer. Just throwing that in there. Bam, bam. We in there. You know what? I'll just go ahead and throw the battery in there. All right. Charging block. Boom. Put that in here. Bam. With room to spare. Look at that. There's another pocket here. So look, everything that just fit in the access is in this bag right here. Of course, I can close it. No problem. Now, I don't always carry all three of these. I really don't. But on any given day, I might want to bring my Switch. I might want to bring my OPZ. Usually, I try to bring my Kindle and try to get some reading in. Read every day, y'all. It's important. Boom. Put that in the back. It fits. We good. All right? Let's take that out. Nintendo Switch. A lot of companies promote their bags saying that it can fit a Nintendo Switch. A lot of people ask, can it fit a Switch? This can fit a Switch. Boom. Closing the bag. Bag is closed. All right. In there. Bag is closed. Yeah, see, it sets up. That's nice. All right. Take this out. Boom. Of course, the OPZ will fit in there. Matter of fact, we're going to see if we can fit more realistically a Switch, because you could sample the Switch and the OPZ. I'm just going to put that here like this. Boom. It's a tight squeeze. Will it fit? It can fit. And it does. Of course, it's a lot, but it can fit. All right, so you see me pack out the AER Day Sling 2. Everything is in here. This is how it looks cross body. Bam. That. I'm going to put it on your back. Boom. It's on your back. I will say, I don't know if it's because it's the material it's made out of. It's easier to just kind of sling this around versus the axis. I think it's the material. But anyway, again, this is why I prefer this bag, and I should have stuck with it. I open up the bag. I have direct line of sight. I can see. Here's my camera. Boom. I got my camera. Okay, mask slipped out. That happens, you know. But yeah, mask slipped out. Boom. Camera. Bam. Boom. I'm shooting. Okay, cool. Sometimes it turns on. That's an issue. But want to get it back in my bag. Boom. It's back in my bag. Close it. Oh, I got to call somebody. Cool. There's a compartment for my phone. Okay. Need to pay. Swipe like I've been doing with Mission Workshop. There's a compartment for that. Oh, you know what? I'm inspired. That's crazy. I want to sample something. Here, let's sample that. Okay, let's sample. That's what the OPZ does. Very cool thing. This just has more compartments. There's 9 compartments, pouches if you will, in 3 sections. Bottom line is if you have more tech and you need to separate your stuff, a bag like this is going to serve you better than the Axis. If you need the ARCHIP system, because you already have an R6, an Integer, or whatever, and you need the ARCHIP system to slide this on your bag, this is really your only option and your best option. It has the U-lock slot to put your U-lock, and that's dope. Here's my thing. At $190, this is an expensive bag. It truly is one of a kind, but it's very expensive. There's a lot of competition out there in the crossbody sling market. Moment has some new sling bags. Nomadic just dropped some sling bags. I got their 40-liter travel bag. It's pretty dope. Peak Design. I love Peak Design's sling. They got a 10-liter sling. It's way bigger than this. But anyway, there's just so many options that can save you money. I mean, After School Projects has a VX21 ripstop bag, I believe, that doesn't have all of this in the archive, but it's like $75. So you can save a lot of money. You could spend your money elsewhere, and that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be returning this for a credit so I can get the kite with the tech case, because I feel like I'll get more mileage out of that bag. Now I'm spending more money, of course, but that's my choice, and I want to get something that I'm really gonna use, because again, I try not to buy stuff unless I'm really using it and it's fulfilling a purpose. But this was not filling any purpose that the AER was already doing, yeah. So that's my 2 cents. If you found this review, loadout, comparison useful, go ahead and hit that like button. If you want to talk about it, get in the comments, meet me in the comments. And if you can, go ahead and subscribe. I'll be posting a lot more videos, a lot of behind the scenes with what I'm doing in the music industry and entertainment industry in Atlanta, music creation, video, content creation, interviews and stuff like that. That's what Mike Sick World is about. And if you see a product review, it's because I use the product. I'm not buying products just to review them. It's real world, in the wild, real life scenario situations with these product reviews. It's your boy Mike Sick. Until next time, y'all be safe out there.